Vlogmas. So today is going to be a really busy day for me because I have got work today. So I'm just going to be filming it this morning a little bit for the next hour, and then when I come back at like 5, hopefully I will have some more bits to show you guys then. So yeah, so some Vlogmases are going to be a little bit like this. So I hope you guys understand, but I really want to try and film every single day like I said in yesterday's video. And if you haven't seen yesterday's video, I will link it as a card here and basically decorate my room, put my lovely tree up, and yeah, so I think we should just get on with the day. So firstly, I need to open my advent calendar, and I just want to say this is probably the best. So you can like download an app called Blipper, and it's like a AR or sort of app, and you scan the calendar and then you get like a selfie every single day, which is really cool. And I just realized the most exciting thing, day 24, which is like right here, is like a massive door. So I really hope we get a massive chocolate in that calendar, and that it is, what one do I wish it was? Caramel or dairy milk, because dairy milk is the best. So kids, let's find number 2, and it's right here. Oh, it could be a fudge. Could it be a fudge or a whisper or something? Come on! Yes! And it's a cute little star. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I could stay. La 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 la. Look how pretty it is. I don't know why I'm calling it pretty, but it's really small. Is it me, or is these fudges smaller than they usually are because they're in a calendar, or is it because they're now just smaller? Who knows? FYI, this is what I was talking about. So absolutely love it, and it's so cute and fun. So if you haven't got your advent calendar yet, I definitely recommend this wholeheartedly, because this calendar is amazing, and I want to say better than any beauty calendar I've seen. Before I get going to work, I'm just going to quickly paint my nails because the red was chipping off, which is really sad. And I'll be using the Speedy Quick Dry from Barium in the colour Need for Speed. I don't know if you can get this colour because I was going to buy some new ones the other day, but I couldn't get what I wanted, and I'm just using Sally Hansen Maximum Growth for the base coat and the Sally Hansen Insta Dry because it dries your nails literally in seconds. Nails are now looking pretty. Absolutely love them, and Barium are definitely one of my favourite nail like paint brands ever. So yeah. Hi guys, as you can see it is now the evening. I've been home from work for like an hour and a half now, and I'm just chilling. I'm so exhausted from today. Today's shift was really good, busy, and I enjoyed it, but I'm just excited to chill. I'm just living and soaking in all the chill. So Doctor Who is going to start in a minute, so I'm going to watch that, and I'm really excited because I feel like Doctor Who has saved 2018, and Jodie Whittaker is the best Doctor I've ever seen since David Tennant and Matt Smith. Let's be real. And yeah, I will catch you guys afterwards. Hi guys. Doctor Who was amazing, FYI. Absolutely love this series, like I said in the previous clip, and now it's like nearly, well, it's 7:30, and I've decided to have my hot chocolate marshmallows now because I want to get an early night so I feel like full of energy for tomorrow's Central London trip with my mum, which I'm super excited for. So I've literally got the best drinking chocolate ever, which is Cadbury. And I got this last year for £2 from Mazda, which is a bargain because this is normally like £3. And then I've got some marshmallows. I'm just going to put some milk in this mug here. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave for like 1 minute and 24 seconds. I'm also going to have my mince pie, which I'm so excited for because what is Christmas and December without mince pies, I ask you. And I have made my own, which I'm probably going to do during this Vlogmas, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Now that the milk is done, I'm going to put in like 3 teaspoons it says, which I swear it used to be 2, but now it's 3, but I'm not complaining. And I'm going to put it in and stir it. And now you just heap in loads of marshmallows. I mean, doesn't this look amazing? I would usually put cream on it, but I've gone off cream on hot chocolate now. I just think it tastes a bit weird. So hot chocolate and marshmallows is my go-to with a mince pie, of course. Yay! Happy December the 2nd Vlogmas! Now that I've got my hot chocolate, which is so good, I'm gonna sign off here and just chill and watch some YouTube. So I will catch you guys tomorrow for day 3 of Vlogmas for Central London Christmas Adventures. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell below to get updates when I next upload a Vlogmas video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I was going to say next week. But yeah, bye bye! Okay, bye.